Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove song from your Instagram post. So first of all, launch Instagram application, then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now once you come to your profile, tap open any of the posts with a song on it. Now if you tap on the three dots at the top right corner, you'll see the option of edit. Tap on it. Now over here you can see that there's no option for you to remove or change a song on your Instagram post that has already been posted. You can edit other various things, but you cannot remove a song once you have already posted on your account. Now if you tap on the three dots at the top right again, you can either archive your post and upload another post without a song, or you can simply delete this post and then post another photo without a song on your Instagram account. So this is the only way through which you can resolve your issue, and Instagram does not allow you to remove a song from a photo or video that has already been posted on your account. So this is it for today, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.